Hey there, fellow content creators. Welcome to our channel. We've got something exciting to share with you today. Do you spend hours brainstorming ideas, editing videos, and optimizing your content for social media? Well, you're in luck because today we're exploring the amazing world of AI tools that can help you streamline your content creation process and take your work to the next level. In this video, we would like to introduce you to amazing tools that have been a game changer for artists, designers, and creators of all kinds. Before we start with this video, remember to subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications to our channel so that you won't miss any future updates. So, what are the AI tools every content creator should know about? Dolly. Whether you want to design a futuristic cityscape or a cute cartoon character, Dolly has got you covered. Dolly turns your wildest imaginations into stunning visuals. Dolly is an AI tool that uses a technique called generative adversarial networks, GANs, to create stunning, high-quality images from text prompts. Yep, you read that right. You can just describe what you want to see, and Dolly will create it for you in seconds. Getting started with Dolly. Okay, so how do you get started with Dolly? It's super easy. Just head to OpenAI website, sign up for an account, and start typing in your text prompts. You can describe anything like your next book cover to aliens exploring Mars. The possibilities are endless. Using Dolly for content creation. The beauty of Dolly is its simplicity. You don't need to be a tech professional to make use of it. It's as easy as typing in your ideas and letting Dolly do the rest. Here are some ways content creators can use Dolly. To create eye-catching social media graphics, illustrations for your blog posts, characters and environments for your videos or games, experimenting with fashion design, generating unique artwork, and any more. The key is to be creative and experiment with different prompts and ideas. Tips and tricks. Here are some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of Dolly. Be specific with your text prompts. The more detailed, the better. Experiment with different styles and genres from realistic to cartoonish. Use Dolly in combination with other design tools to create something truly unique. Set the mood. Think about the emotional tone or atmosphere of the image. Consider the background. Don't just focus on the main subject. Add background details. Expand on existing photos. You can use Dolly to add to or alter existing images. Ethical considerations. Always consider the ethical implications of the images you're creating. Remember, Dolly is a tool that thrives on creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things, and most importantly, have fun with it. The more you play with it, the better you'll understand how to craft prompts that produce the most striking and relevant images for your needs. Koala Writer. This AI writer is the future of content creation. Imagine a tool that understands your brand's voice, offering 7 different writing styles and 4 points of view to choose from. Koala Writer is not just a writing tool, it's a content creator's companion, designed to produce articles that resonate with your audience while staying true to your brand's essence. With Koala Writer, you can say goodbye to writer's block and hello to seamless, SEO-optimized articles crafted in minutes. This innovative tool makes use of the power of GPT-4 technology, analyzing SERP data to ensure your content not only reads well, but ranks high. Key features of Koala Writer. SEO optimization. This tool can analyze search engine results and optimize your content for better ranking, including suggesting relevant keywords and entities. Content generation. Koala Writer can generate content from scratch based on keywords and a desired outline. Writing style control. You can choose from various tones of voice, professional, friendly, formal, etc., and points of view, first person, second person, and third person, to match your content style. Additional features. Instant publishing. Publish your generated content directly to your WordPress blog with a single click. Real-time search integration. Fetch data from the web to supplement the AI's content with factual information. Affiliate article generation. Creates affiliate articles using real-time Amazon data, including user reviews. Customizable voice and style. Offers various writing styles, points of view, and the ability to specify a custom tone of voice. If you're looking to improve your content creation workflow, Koala Writer might be worth exploring. It offers a range of functionalities that cater to the needs of modern digital content production. While it excels in areas like blogging and affiliate marketing, it might not be ideal for content across all platforms. Opus Clip. This is an AI video editing tool designed to automatically generate short, engaging clips from long videos. Its primary focus is to help creators produce viral-worthy content for social media platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. It's designed to help content creators increase their social media reach by creating viral content with ease. Features of Opus Clip. Automatic short clip generation. You can upload a video or provide a link, and Opus Clip will analyze it to identify the highlights and the most engaging parts. It then uses this analysis to automatically create short clips that could potentially go viral on specific social media. An example of this is Opus Clip AI creating a video from a longer one to suit a YouTube short. Virality score prediction. Opus Clip AI has the ability to generate and assign a virality score to check out how well the videos generated might perform on social media based on the analysis of thousands of viral videos. Animated captions. This AI automatically adds animated captions with high accuracy and offers various templates to choose from. Brand templates. Opus Clip allows the creation and customization of brand templates, font styles, logos, color, and many more. Auto reframe. This feature adjusts clips for different aspect ratios for optimal presentation. Other features include AI B-roll lab, social post scheduler, team workspace, content management. Is Opus Clip free? With a 7-day free trial on the Pro plan, new users can enjoy up to 90 minutes of video processing time. After the trial, there's the flexibility of choosing between a paid subscription for more extensive needs or sticking with the free forever plan that offers 60 minutes monthly. For those who need even more, there are paid plans with flexible upload credits on a monthly or yearly basis, ensuring there's a perfect fit for everyone's video processing requirements. Overall, Opus Clip is a valuable tool for content creators who want to save time editing and focus on generating engaging social media content that simplifies the video editing process and makes content creation more accessible and efficient. Play HT. Whether it's for educational purposes, entertainment, or marketing, Play HT's lifelike voices engage your audience like never before. Play HT is your AI-powered voice generator that transforms text into natural-sounding speech. Play HT offers realistic text-to-speech and voiceover services. It allows you to create natural-sounding human-like voices across various languages and accents. With Play HT, you can generate voices for different use cases such as videos, podcasts, e-learning, and more. The platform provides a wide range of voices, including conversational, narrative, explainer, and character voices, among others. Play HT's key features. Realistic text-to-speech. Play HT has a special tool that can make devices and apps talk with more than 900 different voices. It works in real time and can speak in 142 languages and accents. This makes it easy for people to add talking features to their technology. Customization options. You can change how the speech sounds by making it faster or slower, higher or lower, stronger or softer, and you can even teach it to say certain words differently. Voice cloning. Play HT can clone any voice and its way of speaking from just a half-minute recording. This lets you make a unique voice that sounds like the original. Local accents. The platform helps by having options for voices that sound local, making it easier for people to relate to the content. Generative Voice AI Model. Play HT's AI can talk and sound like a real person, making it hard to tell it's not human. It works fast and in real time, which means it can have a conversation that feels natural and smooth. Others include emotion control, SSML tag support, high-quality audio output, editing tools, multiple voice support. Play HT is a flexible tool that makes creating high-quality voiceovers easy for content creators. It's perfect for both small personal tasks and big business projects. Play HT's system is built to provide a smooth and quick way to make voice recordings. VideoGen AI harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to transform the way we create videos. With its vast library of assets and intuitive one-click video creation, it empowers even those with no prior editing experience to create compelling visual narratives. This platform is changing the video production landscape, making it more accessible, efficient, and creative for everyone. It's truly a game changer for content creators. Features of VideoGen. Fast and easy video creation. VideoGen allows you to create videos in just a few clicks, saving you significant time compared to traditional editing methods. This is ideal for producing quick explainer videos, social media content, or other short-form videos. AI-powered assistance. VideoGen uses artificial intelligence to automate various aspects of video creation. This includes brainstorming ideas, writing scripts, finding relevant stock footage, and even editing the video together. Rich Media Library. The platform provides a vast library of copyright-free stock footage, images, and music that you can incorporate into your videos. This eliminates the need to spend time searching for or creating your own assets. Text-to-speech narration. If you don't want to record your own voiceover, VideoGen offers a text-to-speech feature that can narrate your videos with a variety of voices and accents. Challenges of VideoGen. Complexity of content. Videos do have those special little details that make them so captivating. Like the twinkle in someone's eye when they smile, or the way they might roll their eyes when they're thinking hard. Capturing the subtleties of these elements can be challenging for AI, potentially leading to less authentic or engaging content. Deepfakes and ethical concerns. The advancement of technology has given us the power to create highly realistic videos, which is pretty amazing. However, it also brings up some important ethical questions, especially when it comes to deepfakes. We must handle this smartly, with updates to laws, agreed upon ethical standards, and continuous research to make sure we have the best ways to spot and stop any misuse. Overall, VideoGen is a tool that can be helpful for anyone who wants to create videos quickly and easily without needing a lot of technical expertise. However, reviews suggest that the quality of AI-generated videos may not be on par with professionally produced videos. VideoGen is a valuable tool for those looking to increase engagement with video content, save time on video editing, and rapidly test different creatives for better results. If you're interested in creating videos for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels, VideoGen could be a useful resource. Overall, AI is a valuable asset for content creators, but it's important to remember that AI-generated content should be reviewed and edited to ensure quality and accuracy. Until next time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell to be notified anytime we post a video like this.